Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to write your first test using Playwright. Today we will be creating a simple script to log into the OrangeHRM demo site. Let's dive into it. So first step is importing the Playwright test and expect functions. So first we need to import Playwright testing functions at the top of our script. We will include that line. What does it mean? This gives us access to the test function and expect for making assertion. Okay, now step 2. This is defining the test. We use test function to make the test case like that OA provide an asynchronous function with steps we want to perform. So this is the asynchronous function. So you have to follow that structure to make asynchronous function. Then this sets up our test with a name and the function where we will write our step. Okay, and this is the name, and we can customize it according to your need. Then my target is opening the login page. So inside our test, we will first navigate to the OrangeHRM login site link. So this is the link. We'll copy it and we'll go there. Then I will just write the step await page go to, and inside go to I will write the page URL. Okay, then this opens the login page in our test browser. So let me run it. If I want to run it, I need to write the command. This is the command. If we will run it, it will run in the UI mode. So I'm just waiting for to run it, and I'm going to open the test runner. Test runner is inside there, and I'm just clicking on there, and I need to wait for some minutes as it is taking some time. Why this is not opening? What's the reason? Yeah, this took some time, and this has gone to the website. Yeah, this is gone, but the thing is I can see the page. Okay, what's the reason? Let me make a wait page dot wait for timeout, right? Timeout. Okay, then I'm just waiting for 1000 millisecond. Now let me run it. So I'm just running it there. It will take some time and it will be loaded. Yeah, just wait for some moment. Yeah, this is loaded. Okay, now my first target is going to the username and password and entering those and click on login. It will be logged in. This is my target. So enter the username is my first target. Next we need to enter username and password. I'm just writing the test case. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, so entering the username. To get the username, I have to write await page.getPlaceholder and username. How can I get that? Let me run it first. So what is the case actually? Await page.wait for timeout. Yes, timeout, and I'm just running it there, and I'm just running it. Yeah, just wait for some moment, though it is taking some time, but you'll be able to learn it fast. Yeah, so I want to enter the username, so I need to click on there. Here is the locator. Okay, if you click on the pick locator, you will get the username locator. I'm just copying it. Okay, and what is the username? Admin. So I will write await page dot the locator, then fill as I want to fill what is admin. Okay, so I am able to go to the login page and entering the username. Then what's the target? The target is to entering the password. So I'm writing it there, and it will go to the admin page. Just wait for some moment. It has gone. Now I need to enter the password. How can I enter the password? Just click on there. This is the locator. I'm just clicking on copy, and just pasting how await paste dot and the locator and to fill and the password. What is the password? Tell me. Admin123. Okay, nice. Admin123. Oh, 123. Okay, good. Now this is going to entering the password. Then what is the task? To click on the login. How can I click on the login? Just go to login and this is the button name and copy it. The same process. Write the script. A08 paste dot locator dot click. Nice. It will be clicked. Then there will be a link. I need to assert it. How can I? No problem. Let me log in first. I'm just login. Yeah, it is going to. Check it. This is logged in. If you click on the after button, it will be logged in. But the thing is, there is a URL and I can see the admin page. What should I do? Because this is not loaded. If I want to make it loaded, I need to make some waiting time. Page dot wait for time out, and there should be a 1000 millisecond to check it. And let me go there and let's run it. It's going to be run and there will be a URL. I will assert it and there will be a admin panel and you will be able to, yeah, this is the admin panel. So what should I do? I need to assert that and the dashboard for my assertion. So I'm going to write there the assertion. I need to write expect page and to have URL, and this is the URL. Okay, I have copied it and I have written there. So this is the URL. If you click on that, if you run it, you will find that this is passed. Then what is the another task? I need to click on the dashboard section. Yeah, and this is the division and I need to assert it. So how can I assert it? I'm going to write the command and writing to be visible to expect. Like I'm just clicking on there and there is expect to assert the heading and the name should be dashboard. So this is the locator. Okay, and I am finding that locator using getByRole and I'm just writing that to be visible. So this should be visible. So this is the to assertion. Okay, I'm just running it. Let me see it. It is going to be run and it will be passed. So this is the first script we are just writing for ourselves. Yeah, we are just waiting. Okay, nice. Yeah, so you can see it. You can see it. This means that this confirms that dashboard heading is visible, indicating a successful login. And that's it. You have just written your first Playwright test script, saving the script in a file like first test.spec.ts. You can run it using the command that, and you can also run in your headless mode, just removing minus UI. Okay, thank you for watching and happy testing with Playwright.